Here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, the 22nd of June 2020. Now, before I go into the trading ideas for this week, let me announce the winner of the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the winner. So congratulations, and also thanks everybody for participating in the contest. I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in that contest is just to leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and the next week I'll randomly pick one winner to win my flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest. Let's now go into the trading ideas. Let's first have a look at the euro pound. The price is approaching strong support, which is at 90.19. The support is based on massive volumes which got created in this rotation, which took place within this strong buying activity. Let me show you the volumes on the flexible profile. Those were the volumes, right? So the buyers were pushing the price upwards, then they were adding to their buying positions in here. In this rotation, you can see their volumes in here, and then they continued pushing the price upwards from there again. So what I think will happen is that when there's a pullback to this level where the volumes were the heaviest in here, those buyers should start defending their buying positions, and they're likely to push the price upwards from there again. Now, there are also nice confluences to this volume cluster. The number one confluence in here is that if you look at the 60-minute chart, this one, then this is the support, right? And as you can see, the price reacted to it very nicely in the past. So in the past, it was a resistance. Now, when the price went past the resistance, it then became a support. All right, so resistance turning support, that's one setup. Another setup is the volume-based setup, based on those volumes. You can also see those volumes very nicely on a weekly fixed profile in here. Those are the volumes. And also, if you look at the VWAP and the first deviation of the VWAP in here, that's the gray line. This is a weekly VWAP. And last month ended in here. Calculation of last month, or I mean last week. This is weekly VWAP. So calculation of last week's VWAP ended in here. That's the gray line, dotted gray line. If I zoom it in a bit, you'll see it better. Right there. As you can see, the price already touched that. Hopefully, it'll go a little bit lower to actually touch at the 90.19 level. And if it does, then it will be a nice opportunity for a long trade. Now, if the price reverses a little bit sooner before the level, like right now, it seems it could already be reacting, then I'll discard the level. I think it won't be that strong to trade anymore if there is a reaction a little bit before the level, but hopefully the price will get back to the level, test it properly, and then shoot upwards from there. So anyways, that's for the euro pound. Let's now move on. Let's go into Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So the next trading idea is on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and it is based mostly on the point of control from the last week. So this is fixed volume profile, or it's not the last week, actually it's the week before that. And the point of control is in here. Heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got traded there. I'll zoom it in a bit so you can see it better. That's it. That's the point of control, meaning that the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got traded there. Now, what happened afterwards is that the price went downwards into a sell-off, which indicates that those volumes were mostly volumes of aggressive sellers who are getting ready to start pushing the price downwards. So they were jumping into their positions, entering their positions in here in this rotation, and then they aggressively pushed the price downwards. Now currently there's a rotation, not much happening, but when there's a pullback to this level, which is at 80.10, then I think that there's a solid chance that those sellers will become aggressive, they'll start selling again, and they'll start pushing the price downwards. So that's why I think there'll be a reaction to this weekly point of control. Alright, weekly point of controls are always strong levels to trade from, strong support and resistance zones, especially when there is a strong movement after such point of control is created, like in this case. Alright, so that's the resistance on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and let's now have a look at the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So in here we also have rotation. The previous week was pretty boring, the market just went sideways, but before that there was a strong buying activity in here, an uptrend. And when there is an uptrend, I look for significant volume clusters to trade from. So if you look at the uptrend, then there was point of control of this whole trend week, and it got tested. This was the reaction to it. First reaction, then another reaction, so it worked as a nice support, but this support is already spent, so I was looking for another strong levels in that up move. I found two which I like, two significant volume clusters. The first one is a smaller one, but it is within strong buying activity, and those volumes got created in here, those volumes. So I think that as the buyers were pushing the price upwards, they were adding to their buying positions in here. Maybe I should show you on a flexible profile in here, it'll probably show better. That's it. This is the volume cluster, alright? Heaviest volumes being in here. So I think that buyers were adding to their buying positions in here, and then they pushed the price upwards. So when there's a pullback to this level again, 63.19, then I think that those buyers will start defending their buying positions and they'll push the price upwards from there again. Alright, that's the level on the 60-minute chart. Now the second level, let me also show you on the fixed weekly profile on this one. This is it, significant volume cluster. If you look at the lower profile, then it is this one, alright? That's the same area. So heavy volumes traded in here before the start of the strong buying activity. So I think there was another buying activity taking place in here as the price was pushing upwards. So I think strong buyers were present there, entering their longs, and when there's a pullback, I think that those buyers are likely to defend their buying positions and to push the price upwards from this level again. Alright, so there are two strong supports on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. The first one is at 63.19 and the second one is at 62.78. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, you can visit my website, which is trader-dale.com, and you go to trading course and tools in here, and there are 3 educational packages which I developed for you to learn to trade with the volume profile. The first one is called the Learning Pack, and this one includes 15-hour video course on trading with the volume profile. It also includes my custom-made volume profiles for MetaTrader 4 and NinjaTrader 8. Then there is the Trading Pack, which includes access to my trading levels, which I give you twice every day. Those are my own intraday and swing trading levels, which I share with you. And with this pack, you'll also get access to the volume profile pack, which includes the volume profiles, which I have developed. Now, what I recommend getting is the Elite pack, because it includes all from the above. So it includes all from the trading pack as well as all from the learning pack. So it includes the 15-hour video course, access to my private trading levels, and also volume profile indicators. And as a bonus, a VWAP indicator for NinjaTrader 8. Alright, so that's the volume profile educational packs. Now there's one more thing which I wanted to show you. It's a new thing, it's the order flow. So if you go in here, you can learn more about my new indicator for NinjaTrader 8. It's custom-made order flow software. There is a pack which includes order flow software, 12-hour video course, and also this one includes the volume profile indicator pack. So the order flow is really interesting, really powerful software to use in your trading. You definitely want to give it a try. Now, if you would like to learn more about the order flow, you can check out the features in here, or what you can actually do is go to the home page, and there is a beginner's guide, and it's 4-part beginner's guide. In here there are links to all 4 parts, so you can go through it and learn how order flow works and how you can use it in your trading. Alright, so anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then.